starting YouTube. Oh,
I
okay.
appreciate it. Thank you. Myron Williams.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, you can turn your camera on for me, please. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Myron Javon Williams. This is ticket number SP 1403029. This is one count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Attorney
Good afternoon, Your
Prempeh.
Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Mr. Myron Williams, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in this fashion despite its limitations. Mr. Williams, would you please state your name for the record?
Myron Williams.
Your Honor, it's my
Okay,
understanding Your Honor, it's my understanding that the prosecution has reviewed Mr. Williams' credentials, his driver's license specifically, and is recommending a dismissal in this matter.
All right, being that he has now appropriate documents, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, make sure while you're in the vehicle driving, you always have your license on you, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Herbert West. Mr. West, okay. Now calling the matters of the people. Is it all three? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Herbert West. This is ticket number SP 1401101. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Mr. Aber West, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in this fashion. Mr. West, would you please state your name for the record?
Bear West.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that Mr. West has provided valid documentation regarding all 3 charges to the prosecution, and the prosecution is recommending dismissal at this time.
What was his first name? What'd you say, Mr. West?
Aber.
It's pronounced Bear. It looks like Herbert,
Oh,
but
thank
it's
you. Never
pronounced
mind.
Bear.
It's pronounced Bear. Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Being that he has valid documentation for these matters, the court is going to dismiss these without prejudice. Now, sir, you have another court date before me, and I didn't call those cases because my understanding is that you have some civil infractions with them that I'm willing to have heard on that day, but I can't do it today. So you're gonna have to come back on that March 13th date so we can try and hear all the cases at once, okay?
Okay, thank you.
With the civil infraction. You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
I can leave now.
Yeah, you can leave, Mr. West, okay? Larissa Walker.
Hello.
Hello. You can't still be on the phone. I can see part of your head and that you're on the phone. You let me know when you're ready to go on the record.
I'm ready.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Larissa Walker. This is ticket SP 1402399. This is one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jabari Prempeh, P 81745, on behalf of Larissa Walker, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in this fashion, despite its limitations. Ms. Walker, would you please state your name for the record?
Larissa Walker.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that Ms. Walker would like to accept the people's offer to resolve her matter today, and that is with a plea to the one count as charged with a 3-month delayed sentence.
All right, is that correct, ma'am? You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
All right, so please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
I do.
Ms. Walker, you had a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 27th of 2022. At that time, did you own a Dodge vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle?
Yes.
And counsel, will you stipulate that it was in the area of Van Dyke and Lynch Roads in the city of Detroit?
So
Yes.
stipulated.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the court, are you satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court's satisfied as well. I'm going to enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ma'am, this is under what's called a 3-month delayed sentence. That means as long as you don't get another ticket like this and you pay my fine, in 3 months, this case will be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
My fine is $200 and you have until your review date, which is June 6, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. to have it paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, 3-month delay sentence will dismiss if paid. All right. All right, there's nothing further, ma'am. We'll see you back on June 6, 2023. It's gonna be at 8:30. So it's in the morning next time instead of the evening time, afternoon time. All right, pay the $200 fine and this will be dismissed, okay?
Okay, will I receive something in the mail or I just call the Zoom thing back the way I did today?
Yeah. Just go, well, you do get something for a review date, so, but make sure you write it down and it's gonna be the same exact numbers you used today. It'll still be the same exact courtroom, okay?
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, pay it before the next date, okay? So go online or come down to 36 to pay it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Have a blessed day.
You're welcome. You too. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you in 3 months for your dismissal, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, have a great day.